Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. It's all things Igbo with Mimi. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I will be showing you guys a little video of an Igbo culture. Remember, if you had watched my previous video on Igbo culture, there was a particular place I talked about the masquerade, but I told you all that it's actually a male thing, and we women, we really don't know. I don't really know much about the masquerade because from my paternal place, which is Ngwo, they really don't get women involved in such festivals. So I'll be showing you all a little video of how we do the masquerade video in Ngwo. So I hope you all have watched that previous video on Igbo culture. If you have not, search for it, and then I talked about a little thing on a few things about the Igbo culture, like the periphery of the Igbo culture. Yeah. So I hope you all will enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Make sure you turn it on so that when I post the video, you will be aware of it. Okay, guys, let's enjoy the video. Have fun with it. Bye.